All right, if your iRobot Roomba you're doing everything you're supposed to, you're replacing the parts when you're supposed to and everything like that, and you feel like it's not cleaning as well as it should or as well as it used to, when that happens to me from time to time, and there are two things that I do each time that starts to happen that I feel like it's not cleaning as well. The first thing I do is, when where you empty the bin, I go in and I check into where that's where the stuff that gets swept up gets pushed out into the bin. And like a lot of times you got to really look down in there. Something will get in there and kind of get jammed and so make it not work as well. I have kids, and so like a lot of times it'll pick up a Nerf bullet or something like that, and it just gets stuck in there and blocks everything. The second thing is this part that spins, and actually you can see it now. I need to do this again. This will pick up like hair and stuff like that. These spinning things that pick it up. And it'll get all twisted around in there, and it won't work as well. And actually, you can see the damage on this wheel. This is actually from hair getting twisted around and everything like that. So make sure there's no hair here. There's more here. If you got anybody with long hair who lives in your house, you'll end up with hair wrapped around this thing. And from time to time, you're going to have to come in and get it off. So yeah, when it stops working well and you're not really sure why, try those two things. And if this video helped you, go ahead and leave me a like. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.